What's up, everybody? My name is Mark, aka Mark Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this song called Today off of the Blurry Songs EP that is coming or is out. I don't know when you're watching this, so could be out, could be coming out, who knows. But today is out, and so I'm going to show you guys how I made it. It's a pretty simple song. Made it in under an hour. Um, the beats pretty simple. The vocals are pretty simple. It's a pretty simple overall song, but definitely one of my favorites. So today I'm gonna show you how I made it. Give you a little backstory on the thing. Um, so yeah, let's jump into it. So as you can see, this is the project here. We only have about 14 tracks altogether. Um, these drum tracks are like condensed down, but they're literally just one track in there. And so yeah, let's start with it. So I started out with a pad, pretty simple pad. It's on Alchemy, Logic's like VST library, I guess you could say. Um, Soft and dark. Just turned down the attack on it. Didn't really do anything else to it. EQ'd it just a little bit, but that was mostly just to like cut down like the just to make sure that everything was sitting well. So I started out with this pad, as you can see here, and then after that, I added on a second pad, which is basically just the same thing, but just in a higher octave to kind of give it more oomph, just more like presence there. After that is when I added this little, I call it like waterfall star sound, but it's literally the same VST, the same instrument, but I didn't really do anything else to it. Just turned up the delay to kind of give it like that spacey sound, and then EQ'd it to kind of really push these higher ends here. And then that's when I started really fucking with the drums. So I got the simple drums from 808 Flex. Again, another drum pack that just Logic Pro X has laying around. I really love this pack, and I love the Atlanta pack. I added some variation onto this to kind of give it, so that way it's not just like, it's at least a little variated. And then I added the snare and the clap. And then added just a little bit of reverb onto these to make them a little more spacey. And then after that was the kick. And that was basically the beginning of the beat. So I was referencing a song called California Living, California Life. I don't remember what it is, by Lil Peep. Really good song. Very drugged out song. And that's why the mixing isn't like super overcomplicated. I wanted to have the drums and stuff like that kind of be in the same realm as the song that I was referencing. And that song has like a crazy like sound to it, crazy like drums to it, and the bass was just overwhelming. So that's when I added these two little parts of it, the extra snare, and then I added the bass, and I still felt like it was missing something. Like the song, the Lil Peep song had like just these ambient sounds, and so I went and put an arpeggiator onto the soft and dark pad, and then this is what I got. You know what I mean? Probably my favorite sound out of this entire song. It's just so, I don't know, spacey. And then that's all of them together right here. And that's what I got. So around this time, I got done with the beat. I was happy with it. And then I wanted to record the vocals. So the vocals are pretty simple also. As you can see here, I got my Waves tune, my EQ, which is a VEQ. It's from Waves also. I use a lot of Wave stuff. It's just nice. And so I was cutting out the lows, boosted the low mids, cut out some of the high mids, and then boosted the highs because my voice is like very, I guess, like high frequency timbre type of thing. So I really kind of just that's just how I mix my vocals. And then I threw on the CLA 2A, or sorry, CLA 3A, I should say. I learned how to use this thing way back in the day. It's been my favorite compressor ever since. It just punches. So I love that compressor to death. And then I got the noise gate on here, which is just because I was recording in like my living room, which has tile floor, a lot of other stuff. So I just wanted to make sure that, there wasn't any like random stuff in there. Then you have or some of the buses here. So you have the Echo, which is at 1/4, 40% feedback, and then turned up around 17.7 decibels. And then I have my Space Designer, which I also threw on the drums, which is just a stock Space Design sound. So it's called Hall. Nice Hall. And then I just turned that up a little bit, and that kind of helped the vocals sit. And so here you have the chorus.
I'm feeling good today. Taking these drugs to the face. I'm feeling good today.
And then for the hook or for the core or for the verses, it's literally the same exact vocal processing, and then I just cut out certain instruments from the beat.
Smoke up blunt. I'm feeling good today.
So yeah, you can.
I'll
make it bigger.
During the day. Pass out the
So yeah, I just cut out all this stuff, and then again, this was all like a freestyle. So the hook, the verses, all that stuff was just in the original freestyle. I then cut out the hook and put it, just copy and paste it where I wanted it. Cut out my breaths. The only part that I had to go back and re-record was this part.
I'm drinking liquor, taking the shots at the brown.
The original lyric that I freestyle was I'm drinking liquor, and I'm smoking on the brown. I don't think that sounds very good. It sounds like I'm smoking mid. So I took that out and replaced it with taking shots at the brown. But yeah, so this song, and that was basically it. After that, I just, like I said, rearranged everything how I wanted it. My outro, my intro, the ending, which is just basically, it has just an EQ, same vocal thing, just EQ to cut out the lows and mids to kind of get that phone sound. And then I have some, I just upped the ambient type of sounds thing. And that was really it. The lyrics are pretty simple. It's just talking about me like getting fucked up during the day. I play a lot on the on my my drinking, smoking weed, that type of thing. And it was really just a song for me to kind of just have to smoke weed to, or to turn up to. It's one of those songs that I just really enjoy because I really wanted something simple. I wanted something that wasn't too deep like the other songs on the EP, or at least the first two songs. And I thought this was like a pretty good buffer between Snow and Lie. And then after this song is Whip. So they Whip and this song are kind of in the same vein, just fun songs, nothing too serious, just talking about getting turned. And then I bounced it out and then mastered it. So yeah, again, probably one of my favorite songs on the EP, just because it was so simple to make, and it just sounds so good. I mean, I listen to it all the time in the car. But yeah, so all the sounds are literally Logic Pro X stock. The only thing I use as third party is the Waves plugins. But yeah, pretty simple song, pretty simple mixing, and again, like one of my favorite songs out of the entire EP. So I hope you guys enjoyed me breaking down this song. I hope you guys are enjoying the song. I hope you guys are enjoying the EP. And let me know if you guys want to see more of these breakdowns. All right. Peace.